Today we're going to have a quick look at the costs associated with buying a property. Apart from the purchase price, there are a number of costs you need to allow for in your budget. So let's run through these now. First and foremost is stamp duty on the transfer. This is charged by the state government, but as with all government fees, is collected by the lender. And it's calculated based on the contract price. Stamp duty costs vary from state to state to state. Typically in Victoria, this cost is between 4 and 5.5% of the purchase price. But if you're buying a property as your principal place of residence, or if you're a first home buyer, then the amount payable may be less. The next cost is registration of title. This is a fee for transferring and registering the property into your name, and the amount will vary with the purchase price. Next cost is a cost for registering or for discharging a mortgage. These are fees associated with setting up or paying out mortgages. The next cost is lender's mortgage insurance, which is only relevant if you're borrowing more than 80% of the property value. The cost of lender's mortgage insurance varies with the loan amount and the percentage of the purchase price that this represents. And I talk about lender's mortgage insurance in more detail in another video. The next cost is a cost of legal and conveyancing, and you need to allow between $700 and $1,500 for a lawyer or conveyancer to arrange the smooth transfer of the property into your name, and I strongly recommend that you do not do this yourself. The last cost is a loan application fee, a fee charged by the lender for setting up the loan, and in many cases there won't be any, but you should be aware of it. So these are the costs associated with setting up the loan. But what other costs should you bear in mind? Well, as you go about looking at properties with greater seriousness, you may wish to investigate particular properties in more detail. This may involve a review of the contract of sale by your lawyer or conveyancer. It might involve a building inspection by a builder or architect, and it might involve getting a pest report done on the property. You need to allow for the costs associated with these activities. For budgeting purposes, if lender's mortgage insurance is not involved, then the add-on costs associated with the property purchase generally come to between 5 and 5.5% of the purchase price. If you're looking for more information about arranging a home loan, why not give us a call? Our service to you is both obligation and cost-free.